Hello everyone, my name is Albert from Felicity Product Department. Today I'm so glad to be here to introduce our new generation liquid cool ESS. Before introduce the product and the solution, I want to give more information to the people who is new in the industry. We highlight 4 typical scenarios at the screen. The first one is dynamic pricing. The price will change by time. If you have ESS, the ESS can charge power at low price and discharge power at high price to help clients save money. The second is peak shaving. For Global, a beautiful electricity company, they will charge additional fee by peak load. When peak load, if you have ESS, the ESS can supply power to load and then reduce the peak. The third is grid service and VDP. ESS can participate to grid regulation, for example, voltage regulation or frequency regulation. And the user can use this way to get service money back. The fourth is power backup. That is very common use in the industry. When the grid is turned off, ESS supply power to load. Based on the typical scenario, we launched our new generation liquid cool ESS Felicity Matrix FLM 500. The device has 125 kilowatt output and 261 kilowatt-hour power backup. Has 3 main advantages. The first one is optimized efficiency. The second is extreme safety. The third is highly integrated. Let's have a close look about the detail. The first one is about efficiency. We have double high efficiency. First is PCS efficiency is up to 98.5%. Meanwhile, maximum system efficiency is up to 90%. And also, we use liquid cooling system. The system can keep the battery cell temperature difference less than 3 degrees. Liquid cooling and double high efficiency keep the product high performance to client. The next is about the scenario. We can support both on-grid and off-grid scenario. When on-grid scenario, we can support 20 unit parallel and the capacity is up to 5.2 megawatt-hour. When off-grid scenario, we can support 6 unit parallel and the capacity is up to 1.5 megawatt-hours. So the design and the solution can comply different client, different capacity needs. When off-grid situation, we can support seamless switch function. EMS is included in all-in-one cabinet, and the all-in-one cabinet can pair with STS cabinet to achieve seamless function, and the switch time is less than 20 milliseconds. Use the function and supply power to series load. About safety, we have chip layer fire protection. The first one is pack level aerosol to fire extinguish in single pack. And the second is cabinet level aerosol. When the fire happens in the cabinet, the aerosol activates to give fire extinguish to the cabinet. The third is water-based fire suppression system. We have the water interface at the back side of the cabinet, which can connect the water supply from external to give fire suppression to the system. And about detection, we have 3 different kinds of detection. The first one is smoke detection at the top of the cabinet. And the second is for each individual battery pack, we have temperature sensor. And the back side of the cabinet, we have water sensor. Breathable sensor detection ensure we can provide a smarter risk protection system. About safety, we also consider the explosion resistant design because, as we all know, when the device operations, abnormal gas will be accumulated inside the cabinet and the pressure will become higher. So consider such kind of situation. We provide the gas relief valve at the backside of the cabinet. And when the valve test the pressure is very high, the valve will be opened automatically to release the gas out of the cabinet and keep the device and people safe. About operation and maintenance, we have the standard stop button at the front side, and also we have the MSP for each battery pack, because even we switch off the AC and DC switch in HV box, the cable between battery pack to HV box will still has a risk. So we provide the MSP to each battery pack. The engineer can switch off the MSP. The design can provide more safe environment to the engineer on site. About the device performance, we use very neutral and reliable battery cells in the device, 314Ah battery cells. And the battery can provide 8,000 circles when 70% DOL, and provide 10,000 circles when 60% DOL. And the device is facing global market. For multiple countries, we provide 10 years warranty to let client have enough confidence to select and use our solution. And our device for each cabinet is all-in-one design. We conclude PCS, battery, EMS, and fire extinguishing system, etc. And also consider the size space may be very limited, so we can support zero gap installation to help client to do space saving on site. About product protection, we have IP55 protection level. The level can ensure the device installed in desert, installed in under raining scenario, and also we have C4 corrosion level. The corrosion level ensures the device can be installed near the sea, close to port. Such kind of harshest condition also can be accepted. About monitor, we have two kinds of monitor provided to client. The first one is local monitor. We have touch screen in each cabinet. The engineer on site can use the screen to check data and send the parameter. And the second way is we have remote monitor. The device can connect to internet, and we have Felicitysolar OMN platform, which can use to connect the device and check the data, send the parameters. Finally, the device is facing global market. We have complete IEC certifications, and also consider all the key components is fabricated in battery. So we also have UN 38.3 certificate. The certificate ensures the device can be shipped by sea safely. That's all about the product introduction. Felicity is dedicated in the industry for many years. We hope we can have opportunity to get more communication and cooperation with each other. Thank you so much.